Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, you decided to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and you're looking to protect your investment. Look no further. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Caseology Parallax case for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I decided to pick up this case from Amazon and try it out. I've been using Caseology for years now and I do love their cases. I have the Nano Pop for my Z Flip here, 5. Look at that, go blue next week. So it's the season. But in this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? The overall fit of the device. Do you get lip protection, camera protection? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Can you wireless charge? But if y'all want to pick up this case, you can get it from Amazon. Nice packaging. If you have used Caseology before, it's plain and simple. To the point. They are a sister company of Spigen. But look at that. Bam. Now you get some instructions here. You also get a lot more adhesive strips. And you get a pack to clean the glass in the back of your phone to adhere these strips to it. Here's the case here. I do like the fiber down here. It gives you a little bit extra grip. It has some grip on the side too. If you can see those little lines there. I do like that. And these little patterns here give you a little bit extra grip. You have some branding down there. You do have a lot of adhesive little strips there too. Then this is the front piece. Same thing, adhesive strips. Y'all know I'm gonna have to remove them. Give me 1 minute. All right, so let's take the back cover first and put this bad boy on there. Make sure you press it, because that's a good thing. You want the adhesive strips to stick on there. Same thing with the front piece. Make sure the adhesive strips are down. Make sure they're in the right spot. Press the case. So straight out the back, you can see that it doesn't cover up your display. Doesn't have hinge protection, which is okay. And it doesn't have hinge protection in there. The power button and the vine rockers are easy to press because it also has a little indentation there for a cutout. So pressing the buttons are easy. Nice and tactile. No problems there. My screen is kind of bright. You do get camera protection. And you also get lip action top and bottom there. So if you place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have enough room for the charging port. Everything lines up at the top. It doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. Now, it has these little grooves in there. I hope the camera can pick them up. That gives you the extra grip. And let me turn off. It gives you the extra grip on the sides. The back gives you extra grip too. Man, I do like this case for the simple fact of just using it. It's a simple case. Opening and closing it, no problem. You don't get any type of really lip action around the main screen, which is okay. I don't feel the case moving when you're opening it at all. How good is this strips? Yeah, let's try that again. All right, so I pressed it down some, but let's see if it fits any better. And it does. I mean, look, there you go. I'm trying to pull it off. You have to put some strength. So what I did was really press it down here and on the sides. And now it works a lot better, which is a good thing. Yeah, look, I can't pull it off this time. That's why it's important if you're going to use the strips and you're going to use these cases, make sure you get the case to fit properly on there so the strips can do its job. Now, like I said, look, I pulled it off there, but I had to pull it to really get it off. So again, you want to make sure that you have the adhesive strips on there and you have them on there good, and you press it on there. The more you use the phone, the more they will press on there too. Plus, you're not going to be pulling the case like I did either to pull them off. So the strips will stay there. Press them down. So let's review it real quick too, and then let's see if we can wireless charge first. And yes, you can wireless charge. There's no problem to do it. But reviewing the case, nice and slim. It doesn't add bulk to your phone. You get the lip action. You get some camera protection. You can wireless charge. The fit is pretty good. Even though I was able to pull the strips out, it fits pretty good on here. Everything lines up. You can see there again. Doesn't give you doesn't give you the hinge protection if you're looking for that. There's other cases out there that will do that. It gives you extra grip with these little grooves in here and the little carbon fiber design down here. Definitely gives you extra grip. If you want to pick up this case, you can pick it up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.